We built Jetbuilt Service Bot as a way to help you extend the reach of your service department and offer greater value to your end user clients. We took the power of AI, which is strong in itself, but we had it read every owner's manual, every troubleshooting guide, and Jetbot is Jetbuilt. It knows every item in your project, system by system and room by room. It also knows all the best AV troubleshooting techniques to help your customers solve some of their problems on their own. Not only can Jetbot solve actual issues for your clients without you being involved, it can also dispatch trucks when it discovers that that's what's necessary. Let's jump into a hypothetical situation. It's a Sunday afternoon at this office building. They did not purchase your weekend support, and yet the CEO's coming into town and the lobby video signage system just went down. Here's how Jetbot can help that company get online. So as it turns out, on Friday, the IT guy accidentally unplugged the Cat6 connector by tugging the cable in the AV rack in the server room. That put our screen block in the lobby. Since you've been putting QR codes on all your devices, the client simply scans that QR code, which opens up in Jetbuilt. Here's the item. It's a Pioneer 55-inch display. Hello, I see you're looking for assistance with your display. Yes, the screen is black and we have an event today. You send it? Understood. Let's start by checking the power. Is the display powered on? Do you see any lights indicating? Let's see. Yes, there is power. Great. Now let's check the HDMI cable connection. Ensure the cable's securely plugged into the HDMI port on the Pioneer display. Well, it is. And on the AV Pro Edge receiver. Boy, how did it know it had one of those? Okay. Yes, all good. Perfect. Let's verify the input source on the display. Press the input or source button on the display's remote control. I checked that. It is correct. Thanks for confirming. Next, let's check the AV Pro Edge receiver. Is the power illuminated? Do I see power light? No, there's no power light. Got it. Let's check the Cat6 cable connection. Ensure that the cable is securely plugged in. Yes, it is. Great. Now let's check the other end of the Cat6 cable in the server room. Please ensure that it is securely connected to the AV Pro Edge transmitter. So Jetbot understands there's a lobby, it understands there's a server room, and it understands there's a transmitter. I walk in there and I see no Cat6 cable plugged in. No, there is no Cat6 cable plugged into that device. Sounds like the Cat6 cable may not be connected to the AV Pro Edge transmitter. What does a Cat6 cable look like? Cat6 cable looks similar to a standard Ethernet cable, typically with a thicker and more robust design. Okay, I see one here that's not plugged in, but there's 3 ports on the AV Pro Edge device. Which one do I plug it into? Please plug the Cat6 cable into the HD-based port. Okay, let me know once it's connected it. I connected it. Hey, my signal came back in the lobby. I'm all good. That's fantastic news. I'm glad to hear the signal is back. Is there anything else you can work with? No, thank you, period. You're the best, Jetbot. If you'd like to see if Jetbot can work for you, just reach out to sales or support and they'll get you going with an evaluation.